I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Lassi is a Bangladeshi drink which is mostly consumed after meals. Being a dairy product, it provides all the benefits to the human body which milk provides. Let's take a look at some benefits of the dairy products. Protein. Like all other dairy product, this too is a rich source of protein. Protein is used by the body to repair muscles, and it also acts as a building block of tissues, bones, cartilage, skin, blood, hair and nails. Energy replenisher. This product contains many important nutrients like potassium, calcium and vitamins. It is thus a great energy replenisher. The best time to consume it is after a rigorous workout. Maintains bone health. The calcium content in this dairy product is high. Calcium helps in maintaining bone, teeth and nails. Unlike many other nutrients, your body doesn't make calcium. It needs a regular supply of calcium. Enhancing muscle mass. Proteins contain amino acids, and amino acids are the building blocks for muscles. When there is a deficiency of protein, the body uses your muscles to create energy. Thus, there should be a regular intake of protein to handle the wear and tear of the body. And thus, Lassi is a great protein replenisher. Soothes your body. This product is also beneficial for your intestine. It has probiotic features and thus keeps your digestive tract healthy. It helps to keep the body heat down and keeps you away from the acidity. Here are 5 Lassi recipes so that you enjoy all the benefits of the product. 1. Tropical Mango Popsicle Lassi. Ingredients: 1 cup amul lassi, 2 mangoes, 1 cup plain syrup, 1 cup equals 1 cup water, 2 cups sugar. Procedure: cut the mango and blend it. Add half of the total syrup and blend until it turns to a smooth puree. Take half of the dairy product in a bowl and add the blended puree on the top. Add the remaining syrup and whisk it together. In a separate bowl, take the remaining dairy product. Put both the bowls in the refrigerator to make the liquids firm. After 30 minutes, pour both the liquids into popsicle molds and freeze them. 2. Mint Mango Delight Lassi. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, 10 mint leaves, chopped -1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup lassi. Ice. Procedure: blend all the ingredients together. Add water or milk if it's too thick. Serve chilled. 3. Peach Lassi. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped peaches, 1 cup amul lassi, 1 cup full-fat milk -1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup of ice -1/4 cup almonds, coarsely chopped. Procedure: blend all the ingredients in a high-speed blender. Serve chilled. 4. Strawberry Rosewater Lassi. Ingredients: 2 cups strawberries -2/3 cup plain lassi -1/3 cup skimmed milk, 2 to 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon rose water, finely chopped pistachios, 1 cup ice cubes. Procedure: add everything except pistachios to a blender and blend until smooth. Serve chilled. Top it up with some pistachios as garnish. 5. Sweet Pineapple Lassi Delight Lassi. Ingredients: -1/2 cup plain lassi -1/2 cup pineapple chunks with juice -1 tablespoon honey, 1 inch fresh ginger, 4 or 5 large ice cubes. Procedure: peel the ginger and grate it into the blender. Add all the other ingredients and blend it until smooth. Serve chilled. Try all recipes at home and enjoy all the benefits of this dairy product. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name: Khaled Zubair.